Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing out a SandClock. First going to start out by drawing this circular or oval shaped wooden disc thing that's on the top. I think the first time I ever seen a SandClock was in this Pictionary game my uncle gifted to me for my 11th or 12th birthday. I think, I'm trying to remember which birthday. And then the next time I seen the SandClock was in the movie, or not the movie, but the anime, The Return of Jafar. So now I'm going to make a duplicate of this layer, flip that over, and then just position that at the bottom. I'm just going to merge those two layers now. And now I'm going to draw the first glass cup shaped thing that holds the sand on the top. Can you imagine a world in where there were no digital clocks and just sand clocks? That would be an interesting world to live in. You cannot imagine having to wake up every few minutes to see how much sand is drained from the top to the bottom of the clock. Now what I'm going to do is this little plastic or some sort of separation thing that holds these two glass inverted cups or glasses that they have for these things. So now I'm just going to repeat another glass shaped cup, or that's what I call it, at the bottom. Let's start out from here. And then I'm just gonna draw another curved line. Should we start it out from here? Gonna erase these extra lines. Gonna now draw the sand inside the top one. Just gonna draw a little bit, not really an oval, but somewhat of an oval to show the sand. I think sometimes just looking at a SandClock, when you flip it over and look at the sand flowing from the, or not flowing, but falling from the top glass to the bottom, is just relaxing just to look at it. That's what I enjoy about looking at it for the very first time. So now I'm going to draw the sand at the bottom. Now to represent the sand falling from the top, I'm just going to draw these little misshaped ball looking things that look like sand. Now what I'm going to do is draw these little arm-shaped things that hold the SandClock in place. So it'll be two on this side and then two on this side. So for that, what I'm going to do is just draw, I'm just going to draw a curved line. Curve it on the top over here and then just get it all the way down here. There we go. Try erasing this now over here. Now I'm going to draw another arm on the bottom the same way. I think having the lines curve a little bit or get a little bit shaky kind of give it like that nice cartoony look. So when you color it, it adds to it. Now I'm just going to repeat these on this side, what I said earlier. And finally, I'm just going to do the last one at the bottom. The other thing for this video is I kept the brush, smoothing at about 70 because 80 kind of has too much of a lag. So I'm going to try something a little bit different. And there we have it, people. Are simple and every time I forget to do something at the end. There we go. Now we have our wonderful. Damn it, again I forgot to think. This would be take 3. Now we have our final SandClock drawn. So for the next part of this video, I'm just going to do a time lapse and color this in. Thanks for following along and drawing, and I will catch you all on the next video. Bye for now.